Hey y'all, so there is no actual intro because my baby was sleeping and I did not want to wake her up. Today I'm going to be doing a mini reset / a little self-care. So first off, I'm starting by getting our clothes out that need to be washed. I am so behind on content because I've been busy focusing on my new business venture. So this video is probably maybe about a month old or coming up on a month, but I'm still gonna post everything. We got to get back consistent though, for real. I gave my baby a good bath, washed her hair, and she was knocked out, sleeping peacefully. So I was able to get her laundry in the washer. And then I think right after that, she ended up waking up. But I'm glad I was able to get that done. I did have to re-up on her detergent. And y'all know I went to CVS. It was originally $16.49. I had a 30% off coupon, $5 off, and a 20% off coupon. I ended up paying, I think, $7 and some change after tax. So I was definitely happy about that. I gotta go ahead and put her clothes in the dryer. And I took the trash out, so it smells so much better. Her diapers been stinking up the room. I gotta get some more trash bags for her diaper pail. So I've been using regular bags. And them diapers are funky. Right now, I'm just keeping this box so I can remember the name. Even though I could take a picture of it, but whatever. Right now, this is all she has in here. And this is 4 diapers. I think she has some in her bag. So we can go ahead and open this box up so we can get this box out of here. Ooh. So there's 144 diapers in here. I feel like she should be good up until she's ready to go into the next size. But I might be wrong. I don't know. Ooh. But yeah, I like these. I like this brand. The next brand I would say is Pampers. What, little girl? You okay? I guess I will sit with you, little girl. We can go ahead and get these loves on out of here. Can you move? All right. Let's see. How should I stack them in here? Let's just lay them flat. We'll stay underneath up. That's our favorite thing to do these days, is just pour everything out onto the floor. That's why I cannot wait to move so she can have her own room. And of course I'm gonna clean it, but my room will stay how I want it to stay, which is clean. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna stay. All right, hey, look, can you play with these ones? Thank you. I don't think this gonna stay. Okay. It's real packed. And I'm gonna put the rest in the hallway. Definitely gotta clean this floor. This floor is so dirty. But my girl got a bath today. Her hair is freshly washed. She smells so good. So good. See, this is what she likes to do. Pull out her shoes. I have them right here. And she just pulls them out. Like literally as soon as I put them back. Because I don't like living in a mess. So I clean up. And then she pull them back out. Now, put these in the dryer. And let these air dry. Yeah, the whole not here. I look a mess right now. Like, this hair is a mess. I should have never went this long without washing my hair and without detangling it because it's tangled up and it's bad. it begins.
She didn't make breakfast. You know, she didn't make breakfast.
Take him
okay.
out. What are you doing? I'm about to tackle this hair. It is currently all matted together. I washed it in the shower. I just did a shampoo. Now I have conditioner in there. I feel like it's way easier to detangle when I have conditioner, so it's halfway cleaned. I'm very mad at myself for allowing my hair to get like this. I have not been taking care of my hair. I haven't taken care of my hair in a very long time. Like, I feel like when it comes to my hair, I'll do it, but it's like the least of my concern. I feel like since I've had a kid and then just trying to get my life together, like, I just don't be worried about my hair. Because I really need my end slip. I've been needing my end slip for a very long time. I feel like that would solve a lot of what's going on right now with my hair. So I'm probably about to have a lot that comes out. I don't care. I don't care right now. So yeah, I didn't finish everything. Why are you touching my foot? I didn't finish everything last night because I could have did it, but I started working on a new business venture and I'm very excited about this. Very excited. This is something that I'm really, really good at and I should have did this, but you know, now is the time. I'm doing it now and I've already completed a few products. I just have to set up my account and create an email and then go from there. I know that since I've had a business before and my business was successful at some point, I know how, you know, everything in the business world works. So I know that it'll start off slow and then it'll eventually pick up. And this is way different from the lip gloss. I feel like with this one, this is something that is always needed. So I'll always be able to make money from this. Yeah, I definitely have to do better about my hair because my hair deserves a lot of love. And that's something that I don't give it. But I feel like it's gonna keep being like this until I get my end slip. So I think I'm gonna go online and find somebody that clips ends because that's all I need. I don't even need a silk press for real. Like I can get one, but I don't need that. I just need my ends clipped. I'm about to sit here and finish doing this. And then I come back. I still need to wash my clothes and then I need to fold hers and vacuum the floor. And then I think that's it. And then everything will be done.
Sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Push me away from all of my pain. What's the point of having a heart in this? I'm ashamed and late. I just want